Hi, Multimedia and Programming class. I'm Mrs. Hughes. I am the teacher of those two classes. We're going to run them at the same time. And it is a nice small class. So what I'm going to probably be doing is introducing some topics and then letting them do more of an independent study during that time. If they have some suggestions or desires that they'd like to look into, let me know, because have them let me know, please, not you let me know, but have them let me know and talk with me about that. I will mention that multimedia, I have a criteria, a rubric and a list of items that I'd like them to complete. But if there's something they specifically want, something that's new, that's cool, I'm all open. The last project we really try to leave open. As for programming, we've done everything from Python programming to we've TI calculator programming to Java programming to lots of different things. We've used LEDs and the Arduino code. We've done lots of different things. And so I'm not sure what this group is going to do this year, but just remember that programming and multimedia will be starting after Thanksgiving and then running for 5 weeks. And then that's the semester. And so we don't have any of those classes now until then. And if you have any other questions, please ask or send your student in to ask me. So that's it for multimedia and programming. Have a wonderful evening.